Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message off one of my videos, and I think I understand what they're wanting to do. I have a 5-inch circle. I've set my nudge factor on 2.5, Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it over. He was asking about the Smart Fill tool, but it's a solid color. Well, we can, and he actually mentioned something about fish scales, so I made some fish scales right here. You need to make sure it's grouped together, Control G. Matter of fact, we'll make it a little bit smaller and it fits in there fine. And then you can go to Object, PowerClip, Place Inside Frame, and now you have fish scales in the center of this object. I'm thinking that's what he was wanting. And if he's not, you can message me back. Let's take the virtual segment delete key and get rid of those inside lines. And then we can actually move this over and it still looks like lines. We can right click and take away the outline for our container. So now you have a different scenario. Let's put those lines back because he was actually asking about color. And then you could fill in, well, let's back up here and make our color blue. Fill that in with blue, get another color, fill it in with a turquoise, and then you have fish scales in between there. And you could have the fish scales a different color. Let's knock them out of the way for a second. Let's, well, if I take away the line, it's gonna leak. There we go. You can just, and you can always make that lighter by holding down the control button and hitting white and make it a lighter color and then nudge it back. Now you have fish scales in between two objects. I'm hoping that's what he was wanting to do. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.